Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Salesforce integration for project tasks in Monday.com, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Salesforce integration for project tasks in Monday.com, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the board where you want to set up the integration. Click on the Integrate button located at the upper right corner of the board. In the Integration Center, search for Salesforce using the search bar. Select the Salesforce integration option from the list. You will see various integration recipes available. Choose the recipe that best suits your needs, such as creating items in Monday.com when a new opportunity is created in Salesforce. Click on the recipe to view its details. Next, click on the Add to Board button to start the integration setup. You may be prompted to log in to your Salesforce account. Enter your Salesforce credentials and authorize Monday.com to access your Salesforce data. Once authorized, return to the integration setup in Monday.com. Map the necessary fields between Salesforce and Monday.com to ensure data flows correctly. You can customize what data gets sent from Salesforce to Monday.com based on your project requirements. After mapping the fields, click on the Activate Integration button. Confirm the activation of your integration. Now, go back to your board to check if the integration is functioning as expected. Create a test opportunity in Salesforce to see if it appears as a task in your Monday.com board. If everything works correctly, your Salesforce integration is successfully enabled for project tasks. If you encounter any issues, review the mapping or check your authorization settings. By following these steps, you can streamline your project management tasks between Salesforce and Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step